Today we are going to replace the screen in a 13-inch Sony Vaio laptop. Before accessing the laptop internals, it's recommended that you disconnect all sources of power. So for us, that's the power plug and the battery. Next we remove the two small sticky plastic covers at the base of the bezel. These conceal two screws that are best removed with a 000 Phillips screwdriver. Because of their low position on the bezel, they are a little tricky to remove because you can't get the screwdriver head perpendicular to the screw head. But if you apply firm pressure through the screwdriver to the screw and unscrew slowly, you should be okay. The head of the screwdriver is not magnetised, so using some tweezers helps to pick up these small screws. Next, we remove the bezel. This just clicks in and out of place. Use a small screwdriver to begin the removal of the bezel at one of the top corners. Once it's started, a combination of fingers and the screwdriver will get it completely removed. Just go slowly and take care with any parts where it may be a little tight during removal. Now we can get access to the four small screws that hold the screen to the laptop lid. Again, a Phillips 000 screwdriver is required here. I would suggest putting down a small cloth to protect the replacement screen. Sit the screen on the cloth and carefully lift the tape on the ribbon plug connection starting at the end where it is connected to the screen. Completely removing the tape may not be possible if, like here, it is well stuck to the ribbon cable. Trying to completely remove it would risk damage to the ribbon cable. Then we carefully pry the plug apart using a small flat blade screwdriver, working from one side to the other, moving it apart a bit at a time. Once apart, we can remove it and put our replacement screen in position. The next steps are just a reversal of what we've done previous. Reconnect the ribbon cable using a small screwdriver to carefully push the two ends together until they're fully seated in position. Apply a new piece of tape to keep the connection secure in position. Lift the screen in position and line up the 4 holes. Reinsert the screws so they're in but not tight. Once they're all in, firmly tighten them up. The bezel is reattached by clicking it in place beginning at the bottom and moving up the sides and lastly along the top. Reinsert the 2 screws at the base of the bezel and reattach the sticky covers. Reinsert the battery and power it up.